Hello everybody. I'm seeing a lot on Facebook about new Cricut owners trying to download fonts, and you can get a lot of free fonts at dafont.com, but then they're having trouble seeing it in Cricut Design Space afterwards. So I thought I would do a quick video on some of these in dafont.com. I'm going to click, I went to dafont.com, as you can see up at the top. I've also got my Cricut Design Space, because whichever one I choose, we're going to go look and see if it is in my Design Space. Okay, this one has a lot of comments on it, so usually that means that's pretty good. Chanel. So we're going to go look and see if I have that. I'm going to click on text. That will bring up the fonts. And I'm going to type in Chanel to do a search. And nothing is found. And I'm going to make sure that I'm on all, because if you do system or just Cricut, you might have it on your system and not in Cricut, or vice versa. Okay, or you may have clicked on the filter to where you wanted just single layers and forgot. So always make sure it's on all when you're checking. Okay, I'm going to click on Chanel, see what it looks like. Okay, it gives us all of the font styles. Okay, and we're going to download it. Okay, when my computer comes up, I'm working on Windows 10 version. It comes up at the bottom and asks me what I want to do, so I want to save it. Once it's through downloading, I'm going to open it. Now, not all computers are going to be like this, so I can only show you what mine is. On a Mac, it's a little bit different. When you download, then you have to go to the download folder and extract from there. Okay, and then I'm going to click on extract all. It comes up here and it asks me where I want to put it, and that's where I want to put it, so I'm going to extract. And I'm going to look for the largest file. Okay, because that's usually going to be your best one. Okay, so I'm going to go in that one. I'm going to highlight it and right click. Okay, it doesn't give me an option to install it here, so I'm going to double click and it will open it up, and that's not what I wanted. So this is not a file that I want. So I'm going to go up here to the true fonts. True type font styles, and I'm going to get the largest one. Okay, again, I'm going to right click. It does not give me the option to extract. Sometimes, not to extract, to install. Sometimes it does that, and when you do, you can just click on install. So let's go back to, let's double click on it. A lot of people print this out too, so that they know what it looks like. When it comes up, you click on install. Okay, then I'm going to close out of it. I'll minimize my files. Could actually close out of that one. I'm going to go to Cricut Design Space. I'll click on text. Okay, like I said, it's not going to be there until I refresh it. Now let's click on text again. I'm going to go to font, type in Chanel or channel. And there it is. Okay, some of you may have to close down your Cricut design space. Some of you may have to restart your computer. But as I just showed you on a Windows 10, this is all you should have to do to get your font there. Okay, I hope this helps you. And if you have any troubles, don't hesitate to comment or contact me directly through Huntress Habits, either on Facebook or my webpage. Don't forget to share this video to help others, and as always, subscribe to my channel. I appreciate you. Thank you. Y'all have a great day. I hope to have another one out in just a few minutes. Let's see, what were we going to do? Oh, we were going to go to Love SVG and show you how to download those for all those beginners. Remember, I'm a beginner too, so we're learning together. Thank you. Bye-bye. Good.